Hey y'all, today I am inside during the 100-degree weather and I am going to be working on a floral arrangement right back here in this container. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you drop me a comment below. Do you enjoy these cut flower arrangement videos? They don't get as many views as my other videos, but I really enjoy the process of making flowers arrangements inside, and I really enjoy the process of bringing my blooms from outside into my home. Okay, so this is a brass urn that I picked up at a thrift store. I didn't pay much for it. I think it was like $6.99 when I originally purchased it. So I'm gonna start with the urn. I'm gonna be utilizing chicken wire and kind of scrunching it up and putting it inside the urn to begin. And that'll be my frog, my floral frog. And a frog is what holds the flowers in place. You can do floral frogs this way, you know, just utilizing some of the wire. But I also have a variety of vintage floral frogs that I like to use as well. This arrangement is going to be larger. That's why I'm going to be working with the chicken wire. And I'm going to be concentrating on one particular type of bloom. So my main player is going to be Dara. So it's going to be, it's like a chocolate version of Queen Anne's lace. So let's get started.